Hello, friends. Such a mesmerizing picture it is. I can see so many triangles, lines, and geometrical figures. Do you know the engineers and the architecture, whosoever has made this design and made this bridge, they know this concept of congruency of triangles very nicely and they used it. So it is a very useful concept in geometry. Let us study what is congruency of triangle. So this concept is consists of two words, congruency and triangles. So when two or more items have the same size and same shape, we say that they are congruent. So emphasize same size and same shape. So these are the two keywords. Remember it. What does it mean? The twin brothers are congruent? Yes. What is triangle? Everybody knows. A closed three-sided polygon is known as triangle. So the sandwich, they are triangles as well as congruent. What about the triplets? Yes, all of them are same size, same shape. So here it is written two or more. That means they are also congruent. When I open the chips packet of the nachos, I see all everywhere congruent chips, same size, same shape. So we can see that all around us, nature is the best teacher. And as always, nature teaches us congruency by means of reflection and through bilateral symmetry. You can see the reflection here. It is just same shape and same size. And bilateral symmetry means you can see this butterfly. If you draw an imaginary line in between, you will see the right side is exactly equal to the left side. The twins and all other things are totally symmetrical in nature. If you look at yourself in the mirror, you will see that if you draw an imaginary line in between, your right side, all the parts are equal to the left side. So geometry, it is the study of shapes. It has different shapes. So let's start from the beginning. The first shape which comes in the geometry is lines. So there are four lines A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, B and C, D, they both are denoted by the same symbol. So that means that AB is equal to CD. So they both are congruent. And EF and GH having the same symbol, that means they both are congruent. But you can see the AB and EF, they have different length. So they are not congruent. So line segments are congruent when their lengths are same. Take another shape, that is angle. Angles are congruent when they have same measures. You can see both of them are 110 degrees. So yes, they are congruent. Next shape is Rasgulla. So circles are congruent when they have same radius. Let's come to the triangle. So triangles are congruent when their all three sides and three angles are equal. That does not mean that in one triangle all three sides and all three angles are equal. We'll take it in detail afterward. ABC triangle and PQR, two triangles, and you can see that sides and angles are equal. Oh, this is Moju. He's thinking why congruence in triangles only? There are so many shapes, but we are talking about triangles only. Why? This you have to decide and you will tell me that why. So, there is one question. Determine whether the figure is stable. Explain your reasoning. Look at them, think on it and tell. Here is the answer. First figure, it is not at all stable because it is a rectangle and if you put a pressure, it takes any shape, it becomes the parallelogram. So it changes into the shape of the parallelogram. So it is not at all stable, it can be distorted. Second figure, it is totally stable and the support forms triangles by the SSS congruency. SSS means side, side, side means all the three sides of one triangle is equal to other sides. So these figure cannot change shape and this is the magic hidden behind the shape of the triangle. Why we are giving much more importance to this shape only. And the third figure also you can see it is a combination of quadrilateral and a triangle. So it is again not stable because many possible quadrilateral with a given side length. One more quiz. Explain why the bench with a diagonal support is stable while the one without the support can collapse. So here three children are sitting on the same table which has a diagonal support, and two children are sitting on this bench which does not have support, and still there is a chance of collapsing of the second bench. Just tell me the reason. Yes, you are correct. The bench with the diagonal support form triangles with fixed side lengths, that is SSS congruency. So these triangle cannot change shape. So the bench is stable. Even if a few more are standing, it will not break. And the bench without the support is not stable because there is many possible quadrilateral with a given side length. I hope now you are clear that why we are giving so much emphasis on triangle. So let's find out. Congruent triangles, they have corresponding angles and corresponding sides. So two words, do not get confused. Just remember one is congruent and other one is corresponding. So the figure is congruent and the parts are corresponding. So corresponding angles are the angles with the same measure. Okay, so here you can see that angle A is 75 and angle P is also 75. So they both are corresponding angles. And angle B is equal to 60 degree and angle Q is also 60 degree. So angle B and angle Q are corresponding. Likewise, angle C and angle R are corresponding angles. Let's see the side. Corresponding sides are the sides with the same measure. So same thing you can see in triangle ABC and PQR. Side AB is corresponding side of the side PQ, and likewise BC is equal to QR and AC is equal to PR. If you are not clear, just listen it again carefully. Now, the position of the matching triangle does not affect if the fact that they are identical or congruent. You can see in the picture here that these two triangles are congruent. All the three sides of one triangle is equal to another one, but when they are apart, because their position is little tilted, so you cannot superimpose. But by changing the direction, they should superimpose each other. So this is also very important to understand that if they are separately and they are in a tilted direction, then also congruency does not affect. So they will become congruent. So when you have to write the congruency statement, that means the whole thing you have to sum up in one statement. This is the statement: triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Oh, such a nice symbol. Actually, this symbol consists the whole meaning of the concept. Let's bisect it. So this is the equal sign. Equal sign means the two or more things, they have the same size. And this is the symbol of similarity. And similarity means they have the same shape. So there is one triangle bigger and one is small. They are similar. They are not congruent. If two are of the same size, but they are not in the same shape, then also they are not congruent. So one or two, it's not one, because one thing cannot be congruent. Two or more object has to be congruent when they fulfill both the criterias. Look at the figure. If you have any confusion, you can write in the comment and I'll clarify it. So depending on that, you should know how to write the corresponding statement. I told that corresponding means the parts, about the parts. So corresponding statement means it is showing the parts that which are corresponding to each other, which are equal. So the sequence matter. Here it is written ABC. So in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to angle P. So first, at first place where it is written A, in the next place it will be written P, and B is equal to Q. So in second place will be taken up by the Q, and C is equal to R. So the third place is taken by R. And if you have understood this, that means you are able to solve all the questions, basic questions of the corresponding of triangles. So information by the congruent and corresponding statement. So if you know this, then if you don't have the figure in front of you, then also you can tell me that which angle is equal to which angle of the other, if the two triangle or more triangles, and which side is equal. Like in this ABC, you know that it is written ABC is corresponding to PQR. So if it is asking that AB is equal to which side, so you know this is the first and second place. So first and second place answer is PQ. BC, second and third place. So answer is QR. Just like this, you can tell the value of the angles also. That which angle is which equal to which angle. So angle A first position, angle B first position, angle B second, second is angle Q. So mostly the basic question comes from this only, and there are many other questions. Suppose if you have to go to any higher level and you have to find out the value of the variable on the theory of the congruency, you can answer. It is given, this is the congruency statement. Here it is given that in triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EDC, and it is given that AB is 4x minus 18 and 2x plus 20 is DE, and AB first second, ED is the second first second in the second triangle. So that means both of them are congruent. So both of them are equal. So the value is also equal. 4x minus 18 is equal to 2x plus 20. Now if you know the concept of the simple equation of shifting the places, 2x will transpose to LHS and 18 will transpose to RHS with a change in the sign. So by solving 4x minus 2x will become 2x and RHS is 38. So x is equal to 19. So this way you can find the value of the variables also. This is for the sides. We can have the same thing with the triangles also. So this is the triangle LMN and triangle RST. So you can see that angle N, and here it is not given the congruency statement or corresponding statement, but another symbol is given that angle N is derived from the single line, and here angle S is also with the same line, single line. So that means angle L is 65, so angle S is also 65. Angle N is given by the 55-degree two line, so that means angle R is also 55. And the third line is not given, but you can calculate. How can you calculate? You know that the sum of the three interior angle is always equal to 180 degree. This is called the angle sum property of triangle. You know this. And the same is there with T. So angle M is equal to angle T. So let's find out. Angle M is equal to angle T, which is 2x plus 30. And you can equate it with the angle sum property. Find the sum of the two and subtract it from 180, and then you get 60 degree. But 60 degree is the answer of, this is the value of angle M. This is not the value of variable x. So you will equate it, 2x plus 30 is equal to 60. And by transposing, 2x becomes equal to 30 degree and x is equal to 15 degree. I hope you must have understood it very, very clearly. Write in the comment if you have any doubt. Thank you.